Welcome, it's Panda-Frog. I'm doing the giveaway entry for Lockjockey. Sorry, I had to look up the name. He's doing on the LPU Discord a little giveaway which ends tonight, I guess. And we have to pick a lock with the non-dominant hand. I will do this 1100 with my dominant hand first, and then I will try to pick it with the other hand. I already did this one in my whirlpool and might do it underwater soon, you'll see. But now let's do it for this giveaway. So we are already in a fourth set, pretty deep. I'm trying to find the counter rotation. There's some. And we're already open. So it's basically pretty easy 1100. If you look at the key of the bidding. In the end you got 2 0 lifts. So you basically have to pick 3 pins. But this can be hard with the non-dominant hand. Let's see if we can manage it. To be honest, it's not my first take. I lost my fourth set here. There it is again. Now I'm trying to find the counter rotation. There we got it, and we're, oh god, thanks. Alright. $1100 picked with the non-dominant and the dominant hand. I will not guard it today, because I've done it a couple times. This is for Lockjockey. Quick video, because it needs to be fast. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.